Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 7th, video number 32, lines and angles, section A, easy. Let's start. In the given figure, we have to find x and y, both of these. All lines intersect at J, that's what is given. This point is known as J, okay. Say this, line HD and line AE are straight lines and intersecting at J. So, these two angles EJD and HJA, these two are vertically opposite angles, so they are equal. So HJA equals to EJD equals to 39. Now you got this as 39, right? Now line HD is a straight line, so sum of all angles on this line will be 180 degrees. Getting it? So how do we find the sum then? So HJA, this angle, plus AJB, this angle, plus BJC, this angle, plus CJD, this angle. These four angles total will be 180 degrees because HD is a straight line. Now you know three of them. Write each one: 39, 42, X and 40. The total is 180. So add them: 121. X plus 121 equals to 180. So X equals to what? Take 121 on this side. It becomes 59. Now we have got X. But now what we want? Y. Now GC and EB, they are straight lines intersecting at J. So X and Y become vertically opposite angles. Now all vertically opposite angles are equal. So X equals to Y equals to 59. Both X and Y are 59 degrees. In the given figure, EC and DB are straight lines and intersecting at what? F. Okay. We have to find X and Y. Now this angle is given as 135 degrees. So X and Y, how to find it? DFC equals to EFB. DFC equals to EFB. Why? DC, this DB and EC intersect. So these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So DFC and EFB are vertically opposite angles. So they are equal. So both are 135 degrees. So EFB becomes. To watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.